Hey associates, so I am just quickly creating the template for my press releases. The real video is about 10 minutes and this is of course sped up. So we start, at the top with the release date, just making sure people know if it's for immediate or if it's embargoed for a future date. For your client projects, you'll probably have immediate releases. Then you put in your contact information, use your bear mail because this is kind of like our work professional account. And so that's where we want to draw some credibility from. Make sure you check your bear mail. Then we put the title in the big picture headline. And that's where you really want to think like a journalist, right? Summarize the big picture and help them write a headline as well. And then we get into those details, right? And we want to be thinking about all of our W's, the who, what, where, when, why. Tell that story for your client and then summarize it really, succinctly up top for the journalist who is skimming through it. Here I am reminding myself to pull a quote or something I really want to emphasize or I want the journalist to pay attention to about the PR opportunity. So make sure you put some space in your template to remember to do that. And then I'm just marking out, where I can put some details, reminding myself, is there a date and time I need the journalist to be able to quickly see and know, a location, a feature, benefit, that kind of stuff. And that is all part of the body. We want to always keep it, less than a page if possible. And then last, I'm just writing out a reminder about the client boilerplate, which is info about the client that stays, pretty static across anything that you do. So when you make a real template, you can put your client's mission statement, their websites, all that information in there. And then last, I'm just going back and doing some pre-formatting. As with all technical comm, we want to use formatting to make it easier for people to find that information, including things like bullet points, but not bullet points for a paragraph, right? Bullet points to highlight info. So now I'm just doing and kind of showing you how you could put a watermark if you wanted. So if something is embargoed, then it could be useful to have that watermark on there. So you just go to Design, click the Watermark tab. There's a bunch of pre-formatted options, and then you can do a custom option, including a picture, or you can do some custom text in there as well. And so you just click the text, type in whatever you want. You can say it's horizontal or diagonal, how much you want it washed out. Don't go crazy with the watermark, but it can be helpful. Now I'm putting in my logo in the header, and so you could do that for your client's logo as well. You can't do it directly in the header, and so what I actually did was insert it into the document itself and then cut and paste it into the header, and that's how you can get a logo up there. And last, you can insert lines just as formatting, a little trick, and so you click on that where it would be insert a grid line, except then you just click insert line, and if you double click on it, you can change the formatting. Again, that's just kind of if you have a lot of info or maybe different segments of info, if it's going to help your reader to kind of have some lines in there, that would be a feature, but more that was just to show you how to get it done. All right, now that you have the basic template down, you can start filling it in with the actual information for your client projects.